We stoking in this motherfucker. I'm in the building, know we smoking in this motherfucker. Fresh harvest, got it potent in this motherfucker. If I was crippin', I'd be loking in this motherfucker. Got the whip spray, suit with bread. Run up on my shit the wrong way, I'll shoot you dead. I bang this top shit, nigga. Ain't no blood in the cuz. Kick those 10 hoes, growing sell this blood. Got love for my B's and C's. I'm on that LA confidential, no stems and seeds, you know me. Back to trapping, rapping and stacking. Told my little nigga we mobbing. Chill out on the swag and I'm getting head with a magnum in the back of the magnum. Niggas speaking on these hoes, I done already had them. Niggas speaking on my name from all this choose up action. Good game and good dick, since your bitch ass packing. What's good? Sitting high, everything I'm pushing. Money on my line, I ain't even push it. Left the pockets dry, but I got the pussy. 05 drippin', I ain't even pussy. Niggas try to play me, had to get my feet. Then we hit that chopper, left the whole street. Then I hit the jewelry store and got the whole piece. Whole shoes and big bottles in the club week. I ain't wet, getting high than my self-esteem. On this blue dreaming lean, feeling like a king. Count my blessings, counting paper, I don't see these haters. Fuck some mules, hoe, let this money motivate you. I need a real hoe, bonafide money maker. No making deals though, egg dime, I'ma break you. Bitch choosing, nigga, realize I'ma take her. That bitch losing, bitch realize I'ma shake her. She looking wet, but I bet you